Zoom, zoom, car went down the lane, shining bright in sunshine rain. Tap, tap, magic made a spark. Car turned red, so bright, so stark. Swish, swish, wind began to blow. Car said, watch my colors glow. With a happy little Hong Kong sound, it turned blue and spun around. Tiny clouds came floating by. Car looked up into the sky. Change again, the car said we, and turned green like a leafy tree. Rainbow popped up in the air, magic colors everywhere. Car rolled through with joyful cheer, turned yellow, bright and clear. One more trick before you go. Car began to twirl real slow.